BBC Natural History presents a spectacular range of books and videos available now from all good retail outlets for the whole family to enjoy. Featuring a dazzling array of animals and plant life filmed all over the world for you to relive your favourite moments. Here's a stunning selection of what's available now from the BBC's Wildlife Archive. Land of the Tiger shows the breathtaking wildlife of the Indian subcontinent. Be transported from the vast plains of the Rajasthan desert to the abundant life of the oceans. Next, journey to the last true wilderness on Earth, filmed as you've never seen it before, in a stunning exploration of the entire continent of Antarctica. Experience life in the freezer for yourself. David Attenborough takes you on an incredible journey into the secret world of plants. Enter another dimension and see them in another light. Watch them grow, breed, and struggle to survive in the private life of plants. Our newest arrival, The Life of Birds, explores the incredible variety of the world's best-loved creatures, filmed in all their glory. Fly with these skilled masters of the air and share in their daily lives. The internationally acclaimed BBC Wildlife Specials showcase 6 animal superstars observed in their natural habitats as never seen before. Explore the natural world with the BBC.
BBC Wildlife is Britain's best-selling nature magazine. Every month, its award-winning pages are a celebration of the natural world. Animal behaviour, natural history and conservation are vividly brought to life with stunning photographs and in-depth features by world experts. And BBC Wildlife gives you the unique opportunity to go behind the scenes of your favourite programmes. BBC producers, presenters and cameramen share with you their personal experiences of filming in the wild. With free supplements and posters and special offers on books, videos and CDs throughout the year, there's nothing else like it. If you're a fan of BBC Natural History programmes, BBC Wildlife is the magazine for you. Pick up a copy at your local newsagent or take out a monthly subscription. By phoning this number now and subscribing to Britain's best nature magazine, you'll receive one of these wonderful books completely free.